How to fix sign out Apple ID is grayed out in iPhone 16e. So let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, then firstly open your settings and then click on your Apple account. Now scroll down and here you can see sign out option is grayed out. Now if you want to fix this problem, then go back and scroll down and click on screen time and then click on change screen time passcode. Now click on turn off screen time passcode. Now enter your current passcode, then go back and refresh your settings page and then open your Apple account, and here you can see, go back, and here you can see sign out option is no more grayed out. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.